Mucemanio wa President William Ruto na MUCIRITHANIA MUNENE Martha Koome ciumia hituku no uthiete na mbere kubanirwo na mawoni matiganite ni ngwatanio ya AZIMIO.
On behalf of the people of Kenya.
Umuthi Raila ODINGA akiuburania maangi maria augite a Kenya matiamenyithirio.
We now know what transpired at a State House meeting, and it is completely different from the lie the country was fed after that event.
ODINGA arauga President William Ruto ndarongorire kuhurana na ungumania magoti-ini indi ni mwekethaga wa kurengamiria mahinya ma igoti itemi-ini ria kugitira tabarĩra cia thirikari kumana na gutungio mihinga magoti-ini.
At the meeting, the Chief Justice and Mr. Ruto reached an agreement that will supposedly allow Mr. Ruto to provide additional funding to the judiciary. In return for this additional funding, Justice Koome is to advertise vacancies for 5 additional High Court judges and 11 Court of Appeal judges. This is in addition to the 20 High Court judges advertised last year.
Raila arauga President Ruto arahuthira nduano ya kuongerera magoti mbeca. Mubango uria mucirithania munene Martha Koome ataukitwo ni kuna watho. Riu akiuga hari mieke ya acirithania 11 igoti-ini ria gucokia macira riko. President Ruto hari na mubango wa kuheana maritwa ma uria wari muikarigiti wa IBC Wafula Chebukati na uria wari muikarigiti wa IEC Isaac Hassan.
In that agreement, the 5 High Court judges and 2 Court of Appeal judges will be for Mr. Ruto to forward to the JSC. And he floated the names. Immediate former IBC chairman, Mr. Wafula Chebukati, and former IBC chairman, Ahmed Isaac Hassan, are to be appointed as Court of Appeal judges, with Chebukati later being elevated as the Chief Justice before the 2027 general elections.
Iguru wa uguo ODINGA ugite mieke ingi 5 ya acirithania igoti-ini inene ni maretherwo mieke na othe mekuheanwo ni President kuri JSC.
The administration believes it has completely captured the Supreme Court and now wants to target the problematic lower courts by staffing them with loyalists with the cooperation of the Chief Justice. Mr. Ruto is looking to set up a user-friendly judiciary full of people with questionable pasts and limited capacity. And unfortunately, the Chief Justice is gladly smiling along and playing the ball.
Ihinda-ini riu Raila arauga ni undu wa kihaku na bajeti ya magoti iracirwo thingira-ini wa Iregi. Akiuga bunge no ibatie indi agekirira njika wiyathi wa bunge. Akiuga speaker wa bunge ya kibũrũri Moses Wetangula gutetia igoti ria nyumba igoti-ini ria gucokia macira riko ni wira muiganu wa honge njikie muhuko. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.